If you follow this formula, you're going to be an absolute magnet for brand partnerships and UGC deals, and your inbox will be flooded with brands begging to work with you. Now, there are typically only two ways that these brand partnerships begin, either through inbound, meaning a brand reaches out to you, or through outbound, meaning you reach out to the brand. And in this video, I'm gonna be showing you 8 different video styles that you need to be posting that are gonna lead to more inbounds. Now, before I reveal the 8 video styles, it's important to understand the logic behind why a brand would reach out to you in the first place. And it's actually quite simple. A brand will reach out to you only when they think that you can get them the results that they're looking for. So all we need to do in our videos is show the brands that we are the ones that can get them the results. All right, let's jump on in. Video style number 1, we call this the strategy showcase. So in this video style, you're gonna be showing off your marketing brain by coming up with creative UGC concepts for brands that are in your niche, or in particular, brands that you want to work with.
If I was on the marketing team of Glossier, this is what I would do coming from a college marketing student. For those of y'all that have watched me for a while, you know that Glossier is my favorite brand, which means that they're doing something right when it comes to marketing. However, here's my pitch. Expanding into the hair market, tilting their launch to glossy hair. Obviously, they could do shampoo and conditioners, but I don't think they should focus on that. When they first became big, it was because their makeup was all about clean, minimalistic beauty. So if they came out with glossy hair and either came out with a hair oil, a styling cream, or like a female version of men's hair gel, calling it glossy slick, I think they would see an increase in sales already than what they have. Let me know what you think.
This style of video gives the brand a sneak peek into what it might look like to work with you. They get to see your creative ability in action, and you position yourself as an authority. And when you post this video style, be sure to remember to tag that brand. Video style number 2 is the video breakdown. In this style, you're gonna be showcasing a UGC video that you already created that got great results for a brand. However, we don't want to just share that video. We need to be adding context here. You want to explain exactly why you structured the video this certain way and the results that it generated. And we can do this through either text on the screen, a green screen, or a voiceover.
This is a UGC example of a top ad I created that resulted in a 2 ROAS on Facebook ads and top 3% conversion rate of the industry average on TikTok.
Fragrances is a dupe that smells exactly the same, but the catch is you have to spend over $250 less on it. I know, it's like, how do you even expect me to do that? All I want to do is be broke.
Everyone knows Baccarat Rouge 540, it's an internet favorite, and I basically got it for 70% off. If you want to save money on luxury for a change, then check out alt fragrances before you do anything else, because I promise you, they will have a dupe for it.
Remember, the goal of these videos are to show the brands that we can get them results, and this video does that directly by showcasing results that we've already achieved. Video style number 3 is the top ads remake. This style is quite similar to the first, except we're going to be using an ad framework that is already converting. So for this, you're going to need to do a bit of research first. I recommend going to the TikTok ad library and finding some top converting ads. Then you simply are gonna recreate these ads or do a video breaking down why these ads are converting so well to showcase your knowledge on the subject.
This is one of the easiest Facebook ads you can create that converts like crazy. It's called the features and benefits ad, where you actually list out the features and the benefits of your product. This ad is composed of a headline, a subheadline, your product, and then the features and benefits listed out. And all of these ads follow the exact same format. And these ads are so simple to create, I literally walked my client through how to do this in less than 10 minutes on Canva. So if you want to learn more, DM me the word Facebook on Instagram.
Video style number 4, turning ads into killer ads. This style is quite similar to the last, except we're going to be highlighting an ad that we know isn't performing well. Again, you want to do a bit of research either in the TikTok ad library or the Facebook ad library. Find a brand that you're interested in working with that is actively running ads that look like they might be underperforming. Then demonstrate exactly how you'd improve their performance.
This is a bad ad. Now, I actually really like this Notes app treatment, but I think there is way too much text and way too much stuff going on. This could have been way more effective if they kept this to one line and only used like 3 bullet points. However, I think it's cool that they tested it with the Curology bottle and without. Overall, this ad is just making people work way too hard.
This works great because you're demonstrating your expertise, and 1, you're connecting with a brand that clearly has budget because they're running ads, but 2, They look like they're not doing that well, and they're probably looking for a way to improve their ROI. Remember, when you post this one, you want to tag the brand so they'll see your video and they'll be more likely to reach out to you. All right, video number 5. This is the behind the scenes video. In this style of video, you want to showcase your process, reveal some of your strategies, and take the audience on a behind the scenes look at how you film your videos. This could be something like, here's how I film my voiceovers, or here's how I get an aesthetic background in my videos, or here's the type of transition that I use in all of my UGC.
Filming the aesthetic day in the life videos, this is exactly what it looks like. So I start by opening my blinds, and then I go and move on to my coffee. And these are exactly the angles that I get. This is what it looks like every time I film one if I'm not using my backboards. And I did temporarily switch tripods because I love filming upside down whenever the espresso goes into the cup. It's just...
What's up, guys? It's Mike here from Brands Meet Creators, and I truly believe that in the near future, every brand will have their own in-house team of content creators. However, there isn't really a platform out there right now that helps to facilitate this, right? All of the platforms out there, I felt like were very transactional, meant for kind of this short-term relationship. And so what we wanted to do was build something that was designed for long-term partnerships between brands and content creators. A platform where you as a content creator could connect directly with the brands. And so that's what we just finished building at Brands Meet Creators. Right now, we have a ton of brands on the platform that are looking for content creators, looking for UGC creators. And so if you want to start working with some brands and you want a platform that doesn't control your usage rights, lets you set your own rates, your own terms, and actually connects you with the brands for long-term partnerships and is completely free, go check out brandsmeetcreators.com. Go start applying to some of those opportunities. All right, so you might have noticed up to this point, all of the examples only really work if you have a UGC dedicated account. But what should you do if you don't have a UGC account? These next 3 video styles are gonna show you exactly how to do that and how you can get conversations started with brands even if you don't have a UGC specific account. So video style number 6, the Instagram story tag. All right, so this isn't necessarily a video style, it's more of a strategy, but this strategy just straight up works. And here's how you do it. First, you have to figure out a type of Instagram story post that you can create that will involve multiple brands. A great example of this is the Get Ready With Me story post. And you're gonna try to incorporate as many brands as you can into this one video. Then you're gonna tag every single brand that you use in that video. You can even take their tags and slide it off the screen if there's too many brands and it becomes a little overwhelming. What this is gonna do is it's gonna send a message to each one of those brands, and it's gonna open the line of communication in the DMs. A lot of times the brand is gonna respond and ask if they can repost your story, and this is just gonna start the communication. Then you can ask them who's the best person to reach out to in terms of starting a partnership. Video style number 7, a day in the life. If your account isn't focused on UGC, we recommend at least hinting in your content that you work with brands. This can easily be achieved with a day in the life video where you reference creating content for another brand. And this typically works really well because it's a very subtle call to action. You're letting viewers know that you create content for brands, and just that little reference is gonna lead to more inbounds for you.
That's the way every day goes. Every time we've no control. If the sky is pink and white, if the ground is black and yellow, it's the same way you showed me. Nod my head, don't close my eyes. Halfway on a slow move. It's the same way you show.
And video style number 8, the final video style, is what we call a peek behind the curtain. Now, along the same thought process as the last video, we want to find a way to subtly tell our viewers that we are open to making content for brands and we're open to brand partnerships. Now, if your account isn't UGC focused, this can be a little tricky to incorporate into your content. I recommend to test out this style of video where you walk your viewers through how you actually make money from social media. Walk them through your process of you working with brands. It might not fit exactly into your account, but this could be a way to let followers in behind the scenes of your life and show them a different angle that they've never seen before. So it's time to go test out some of these video styles and get your inbox flooded with brands. And if you're ready to take your UGC journey to the next level and scale up your creator income, you need to check out the Brands Meet Creators Academy. We've helped hundreds of creators get to the next level and scale up their income, and you could be next.